Barton Mathews. I work for Starr Mathews Insurance Agency. I'm an owner there. I've been a part of that organization for 13 years. We've worked together now since the beginning of Tyson and Associates. And he did a large remodel for us in our Ringgold office. And from start to finish, the communication, the professionalism, and James rarely even touched that job. And his team did it from start to finish. And it was really amazing. I would get daily texts from the job site foreman or supervisor that was on site saying, hey, here's what we're doing, here's where we're going to show up, and here's what we should accomplish. And that's on a daily basis. And then on Friday, they would follow it up with a summary call. So when I went into the weekend and my partners in other areas called to say, hey, how's the project going? I was filled in. I wasn't having to make another call to figure it out. I've never gone through a project where you're not calling somebody back to come fix something. We got through the project, we moved in 2 days later, and I don't think I've had to call anybody over here since then. One of the main reasons I would recommend Tyson and Associates is the forefront of communication. They go above and beyond in everything they do, and they stand out from the crowd, not only in the beginning phases of the project or initial contact with a potential customer. The communication that they do and the way they handhold potential customers going into a major project, it's very unique to any other firm that I've dealt with.